I heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. Then she tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Hello.
You say I took the name in vain, I don't even know the name, but if I did, well really, what's it to you? There's a blazing light in every word. It doesn't matter which you heard. The holy of the broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, but it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I've told the truth, I didn't come to fool ya. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.